Welcome student. Today we will do MCQs with answer explanation on timeline and source of history. This is part 1 containing 30 MCQs. Let's start. Why it is important to study the past. And correct answer is B, to understand the present. Which of the following is a personal source of the past? And correct answer is C, memory. Who studies earth physical feature like mountain and river? And correct answer is D, geologist. What do paleontologists mainly study? And correct answer is C, fossils. Who studies ancient human culture and societies? And correct answer is B, anthropologist. What kind of object do archaeologists study? And correct answer is A, coins and poetry. Which calendar is commonly used around the world today? And correct answer is B, Gregorian calendar. What does CE stand for in date? And correct answer is B, common era. What does BCE stand for? And correct answer is D, before common era. What is the key role when calculating years between BCE and CE? And correct answer is B, subtract 1. Which period is called a century? And correct answer is B, 100 years. Which is the current century? And correct answer is A, 21st century. How many years are there in a millennium? And correct answer is C 1000. Which which millennium are we in now? And correct answer is C third millennium. What is a timeline? And correct answer is D a chart of event in order. What come first on a timeline between 560 BCE and 1 CE? And correct answer is A 560 BCE. Why there is no zero year? And correct answer is C calendar begins at 1. Why do traditional Indian calendar depend on? And correct answer is C sun and moon. What is a panchanga? And correct answer is D a book of time and astronomy. Which of the following is not a part of a panchang? And correct answer is A school holidays. How many years ago was 560 BC from 2024 CE? And correct answer is A 2583. Calculation is given at the bottom. What is the key purpose of a timeline in history? And correct answer is B to show event calendar order. Which of these is studied by anthropologists? And correct answer is C human culture. What do fossils tell us about? And correct answer is C ancient life. Which of these is example of archaeological evidence? And correct answer is D brick house ruins. Why do archaeologists dig underground? And correct answer is C to uncover past remain. What do geologists not study? And correct answer is A. Tools. Which event marked the start of the Gregorian calendar? And correct answer is B. Birth of Jesus. In which century did Indian gain independence 1947 CE? And correct answer is C. 20th century. What make timeline useful in history? And correct answer is C. They help visualize time. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.